Welcome to another tutorial video from WordPress Page Builders Academy. If you haven't hit yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and bell so that you can see all our tutorials as soon as they're released. Today, we're going to be making a text overlay on top of background image. It's going to be similar to this kayak rental site, and we are going to be using Thrive themes, specifically Thrive Architect. Nothing too fancy, a pretty simple thing to do in Thrive Architect. Adding text on top of a background image is a great way to enhance your website. It lets you blend captivating visuals with essential information that you want to get across to your visitors. Whether you're promoting a sale, displaying a quote, or storefront your hero section, overlaying text on a background image is a great way to present your information. So opening and navigating Thrive themes, first, you gotta make sure you have installed and activated WordPress. Okay. Once you log into your WordPress dashboard, navigate to the page or post where you want to apply this technique. So if you don't have Thrive Architect open yet, just go ahead and open it. Now, once it's open, with the section added, so you click add a section, it's time to set the background image. You want to choose a background image that will provide a high contrast to your text so that the image doesn't overshadow the text or vice versa, right? Click that section that you just created, and in the sidebar settings, locate the background style option. Upload or select the desired background image from your media library. Now let's overlay some text onto the background image from the Add Element button. Select the text element and drag it onto the section. You see that the text box appears over the background image. Now let's adjust the text overlay. But before we move on now, if you enjoyed this video so far, go ahead and click that like button and subscribe and hit that bell too. So if you haven't done so, you get more of my tutorials, okay? So now, where were we? All right, adjusting the text overlay, okay. So fine-tune that position and size and styling of your text overlay to achieve the desired effect that you want. You can easily adjust these settings by selecting the text element and using the editing options available in Thrive Architect. So wrap up, there you have it. It's a beautiful latex on a background image using Thrive themes. It's simply a powerful way to elevate the visual appeal of your website. Don't forget to save changes before editing the editor. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to our channel because it will really help us reach more people. Happy designing with Thrive themes, okay? Thank you, bye.